Yes,
Let me raise another point of order here. I mean, we keep inviting people to come back for general comments, but general public comments are for items within the subject matter jurisdiction of the Board of Supervisors. We do not control the court system. They may have problems with the court system. They may not like the way a certain judge is exercising his or her responsibilities, but we have zero say in that. That is the same problem Mr. Seglin has. We don't control the folks over there. It's the same problem Mr. Kay has had for years. They can't get it through their heads, but maybe now we can explain we don't control the courts. And so you can come here and complain about the courts. We're going to sit here and do nothing because we have zero legal authority to do anything on the court system. Hire a lawyer and take it up with the lawyers. Go to the Justice Department and ask the Justice Department. Not within the subject matter jurisdiction of the Board of Supervisors.
okay. All right, thank you. All right, order, please. Order, please, or please. All right, this is again a item about a contract for service of process. It's not about the department itself. If you wish to comment on the department, like an investigation of certain things, you can make that comment later at our general public comments, but this is just a contract for service of process. That's all this is. If you wish to comment within the boundary of the item, please go ahead.
So am I able to speak? My name is Kimberly, and I'm a victim of child support services. Today, I am demanding that each of you publicly call an independent investigation by the DOJ and the FBI into the Orange County Family and
You're out of the
Probate Court
agenda.
system.
Sorry, but yeah, you want to come back on public comments. When we have general comments, please do that, but you must address this item, and you're not doing that.
I want to make sure that I'm able to do so at the time you said public comment.
Speak to the clerk, and she'll get you a card so you can speak at public comment.
Thank you.
That comes later on in our agenda.
Hi, my name's Bridget Butler. I agree with everything that Julie H. had to say, but I also am asking why hasn't the Board of Supervisors responded to any of the Orange County family
Okay,
complaints?
if you would like to get a card
You're
from
off
the
the
clerk.
agenda, ma'am. You must speak to the agendized item, which is a contract for service of process.
There's a pattern of complaints,
Get
and
the
maybe that
card, and you
needs
can
to be
speak at
heard.
general
You
comments.
can come back later on and speak, assuming you're within our jurisdiction. Madam Clerk, please call the next speakers.
Mr. Chairman, maybe we can ask for all the speakers who's going to be speaking, if it's all the same item, versus us having to just keep on asking everyone who comes up. You're welcome to come up, but then I'm not going to debate here. We should ask to see if that's the case, we can just have them all fill out the form for the public comment section, instead of us going back and forth.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I would say the same thing as that. I do disagree. I think there may be some nexus to what they're talking about within our jurisdiction here. We won't know until we hear them, but I do think that the comments here are misplaced on this item. So to the extent that you can come back to general public comments, I think there might be some remote nexus. We really can't do a whole lot with the courts and the judges, but to the extent there's anything related to what the county services do, there might be some relationship there, but it's certainly not on this item. So I would agree that
All right.
these items be
Do we have any more
moved.
speakers who wish to speak on this agenda item? All right, and again, you're welcome to come back at public comments. Be sure you have a speaker card in for that purpose. All right.